the mind, free the mind. Oops. Ooh, not groovy, man. Oh, hey, welcome back to Pleasant Valley Junction, man, a groovy place to be. As you may know me, I'm Leroy, your hippie dippie brakeman. I've been busy trying to get my mind to calm daddy be free. Because, as you may have seen with our boss, sometimes if you don't release that tension, you might explode. Just like this poor man here. So always find a way to channel that inner anger, man.